Hey guys, what's going on? Today is Sunday. It is a beautiful day here in Jersey. Dry, somewhat cool, really nice. About to head out to the gym. It's early. It's before 9 o'clock. Gonna get in some cardio work, and tomorrow is a rest day. But I'm gonna use today as my rest day because tomorrow night I want to work out with my husband. And so gonna get in some cardio today, and yeah, we're gonna do it fasting. A lot of you are asking me what I eat in a day, and because I have a coach, I really want to be respectful to the fact that, you know, I'm paying her to come up with a meal plan, but I'm gonna show you basic stuff, what I eat. I'm not gonna get into exactly how much of it, but I'm definitely gonna show you exactly what it is, and then you'll be able to see what I eat in a day. Okay, so that's the scoop. Heading to the gym. Why don't you come along? All right, guys, so we're in Retro Fitness, my gym of choice, and this is B-Dog Brandon.
What's up, guys?
Brandon works here. He is awesome at giving advice. He's helped me a million times. He's been training for like 9 years now, right, Brandon?
Yep, that's right.
And I just want Brandon to talk to you briefly about why you shouldn't be scared to come to the gym. Don't be intimidated. Just get your ass to the gym.
There is nothing
Let it
intimidating.
out, Brandon.
There is nothing intimidating about going to the gym. Basically, everyone here is doing the exact same goal, and that's to change their lives and for the better. Whether it's for competition, whether it's just simply to look good, maybe you have a health problem, whatever it is. Going to the gym is totally normal, and if you feel intimidated, just remember that everyone else here is doing the exact same thing. No matter how skinny they are, how big they are, no matter what kind of color they are, whatever, everyone here is doing the exact same thing. So the most important advice I'll give you is to just remember that you're on your own path. Everyone's doing their own thing, but you're on your path. You can't be following all these people online and trying to mimic exactly what they're doing. They're just gonna give you good advice, but only this is a good path to take. You know, do what you feel is good for you.
That's right. And if somebody comes into the gym brand new and they have no idea how to use a machine, what do you suggest?
Okay, it's not a marketing thing, but I do suggest you do talk to a trainer. And the reason being is when I first came to the gym, it was Gold's Gym. I believe it was in, I can't remember the place, but I went to Gold's Gym for the first time. I was like about 12, 13 years old, and I didn't know what I was doing. I literally didn't know how to pick up weights. I didn't know anything about dumbbells, barbells, anything. So I talked to a trainer, and they helped me out. They taught me everything from fasted cardio to dieting to the importance of eating right, nutrition.
Yeah.
So seeing a trainer is really important. Here at Retro, we actually give an hour orientation with the trainer. So you can sit down with the trainer for an hour and talk a little bit about all your goals and what you're trying to do with your life.
So awesome. And even if you get by that and you think you're confident, you can always go to somebody that works in the gym to help. There's so many times I go up to Brandon and I'm like, what's a good thing for my back? What's a good thing for this?
Yep.
And they're always more than willing to help out.
And it's like, it's not even has to be a trainer. Like you said, it's just cool people you know at the gym that'll help you out.
Yeah.
If they actually know what they're talking about, they'll give you solid advice. If it sounds bogus, you're better off looking for professional help.
Awesome. And one other question that I get asked a lot is, what do you think about a protein shake after training?
Super cool. Okay, so
and he makes the best one.
I do make one of the best ones. So whey protein shakes are really beneficial right after a workout. Highly recommended that you try out a chocolate peanut butter banana shake. Has your fats, proteins, and carbs in there. You could even throw a little bit of oatmeal in there if you're looking to get your day started.
Nice.
And some healthy proteins inside.
So. Awesome. All right. Well, we're gonna let Brandon get back to work. And thanks for hanging out on my channel with me.
Anytime.
For all the help that you've given.
Anytime.
All right.
Thank
and Brandon competes. I'm gonna link his Instagram below.
That's
Peace
right.
out, guys.
See you guys. Bye.
I did 45 minutes worth of elliptical work, burnt 400 calories, soaking wet. So I'm gonna go home, make my post-workout meal. I'm gonna show you what that is, shower, and we'll move on throughout the day. So let's get going. I'm hot. Whew. Who else has a Nabisco literally down the street from the gym they work out at? Leaving this gym and coming out to smell cookies? Oh my God, crazy. Here's the protein that I use, guys. This is what it looks like in its big jug. It's called PE Science, and my flavor of choice here is peanut butter cup. It's really, really good. It has 23 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat. Here's the nutrition label for those interested. You could take a screenshot, but this stuff's the bomb. I fill my blender up with some ice and water, and then I take a serving of this. I know I've talked about this before in videos, but the stuff is so good. It's extra protein peanut butter, and it has plant protein and flax. Here is the nutrition label for 2 tablespoons. Yes, look at the ingredients. Can I get it on there? There we go. All right, so protein shake coming right up. Yes, Paisley. Good morning. Okay. You want to make a shake with Mommy? Okay. So that is protein shake time, and I have 1,000,000,001 little plastic straws that I love to put in here. Bam! I'm just drinking it right out of this thing. It just makes my life so much easier. This stuff is so good. I totally recommend it. And PE Science, if you're watching this video, please sponsor me. I recommend it to everyone. All right, so I am at meal number 1 technically, which would be breakfast, but had the fasted cardio. So breakfast is, I don't know if you can see it. Let me spin this camera around. Hold on, guys. There you go. Breakfast is some eggs and some spinach and some cheese. So I'm gonna happily dive into this right now because I'm really hungry. And I'll see you at my next meal. So my nephews and my sister are on their way over. We are going to be swimming for the day. So got my bathing suit on, my tank top, my shorts. Made some lunch. This is meal number 2, guys. This is, here we go. We have a bed of spinach. We have some fresh cooked tilapia, and we have some avocado. That is lunch. Some of you might be wondering to yourselves, what about dressing? What about, you know, something on top? No, this is just clean, whole, good foods. And as you can see, my carbs today are very low, right? So that's what kind of day it is, because I'm not doing any heavy training, and I'm gonna be swimming for the afternoon. Got in my cardio early this morning, so it's gonna be a really big deficit. Tomorrow's a good training day with, as far as muscles go. Tomorrow's shoulder day. So yeah, so meal number 2, going down the hatch with a giant glass of ice water. So see you at the next meal. Next meal is a snack, considered a snack. It's an entire can of solid white. This is the low sodium tuna from Trader Joe's. Mixing it with some egg whites that are hard boiled. And instead of mayonnaise, I'm gonna be using Dijon mustard with Chardonnay. That is the snack I'm about to enjoy, so I'll show you what it looks like after I mix everything up. And there is the snack. Oh, hello. Come to me, because I am hungry. So I'm going to go enjoy this now, and I will see you at dinner time. All right, guys, so it's dinner time. This is ground chicken, mixed vegetables that I cut up from raw. Sauteed them up, and I am going to be putting more mustard on top because I love it. And this is dinner. So pretty quick, obviously, very clean meal. And see you at my last meal, which will be tonight.